Hey guys, what's up? About to do an unboxing V case. Let's see what we can find in here. Let's see what we got. 55 Chevy, Tooligan, Flyby, Cadillac, Skull Shaker, Batman Arkham Asylum, Toyota, Trackmanga, Bone Shaker, Greenwood Corvette, LaFasta, and the Roadster Bite. Fig Rig, Mazaripu, Disney Steamboat. Trackmanga, Ford Focus, Bogzilla. Cosworth, Fast Fish, and Bricking Trails. Locomotorin, Mercedes-Benz, Tooligan. The Nash, Volkswagen Beetle, Tesla Cybertruck. Repu, Street Cleaver, 2020 Dodge Ram 1500 Rebel. Well, Quick Bite Regular Treasure Hunt, McLaren GTR, Skull Shaker. I already have that, leave it for somebody else. Skull Shaker, Twin and Winning. Minecart. Let's see. Porsche 73 BMW, which is the Super, and this is the regular. And 70 Pontiac Firebird. Bubblematic, Fast Gassin', Twin and Winnin'. Another 2016 Cadillac, 73 BMW, and a Humvee. Cosworth, Humvee, and Sada. '55 Chevy, Ford Focus, Mighty K. Another 70 Pontiac, Porsche, and Gladiator. Repeats. LaFasta, Bogzilla, 70 Chevy Chevelle. Tuned Volkswagen Golf, standard cart. Let's go, fast gassing. Another 55 gasser. Fast Fish. 57 Chevy. 85 Chevy Turbo. 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Now the Gladiator, Velociracer, and Toyota AE 86 Sprinter Torino. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.